Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Autopay for your Bluevine credit line. Autopay ensures that your Bluevine credit line payments are made on time without you having to remember due dates. Setting it up only takes a few steps, and I'm going to show you how. First step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard. Once you're in, go to the credit line section. Now click on Payments and look for the option that's labeled Set up Autopay. Now choose your payment account. You can select your Bluevine business checking account or a linked external account. Select how you'd like payments to be handled, either the minimum payments due each cycle or the full balance for faster payoff. Review the terms and then confirm your Autopay setup. Check for a confirmation message or email verifying Autopay is active. Monitor your payments during the first cycle just to ensure that the withdrawal process goes without a hitch. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.